southwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Thursday night, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Here are the current conditions. As of 11 a.m. at Central Park, it was partly sunny.
Shoot.
The temperature was 82 degrees, the dew point 73, and the relative humidity 74%.
SVA. Got
The
you.
wind was variable at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.94.
49. Solving. Okay. Oh, there we go. What happened to the 12 to 6 one? Why is this not going off? Let's go.
The following county, Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Huntington, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland,
I forgot about you.
Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island.
I don't get it.
Sound,
Why it didn't go off?
Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore Bays from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York, Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, Sandy Hook, New Jersey. To Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles,
Internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Inlet, New Jersey out
Repeating,
20 nautical
severe
miles.
thunderstorm marks number 4.
Severe thunderstorm marks mean 2 p.m. until Saturday with the common severe weather, including large hail and damage in winds here in most of the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to weather statements and possible warnings.
In
Stay
Pennsylvania,
tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Let's go. I don't get it. Why it didn't go off?
The offshore waters forecast for Hudson Canyon to Baltimore Canyon, out to 1,000 fathoms. Today, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Scattered showers and thunderstorms with visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Tonight, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots, becoming north. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Numerous showers and thunderstorms.